That was awesome.
Look.
What? Oh, I missed it. Look behind the trees. Can't really see them on here.
Go out in the front yard.
Can't wait to go spend that birthday money because you can buy so many fireworks.
I don't think you'll be there tomorrow.
You better be there tomorrow.
Right there.
He said he was going to buy a ton of fireworks.
Yeah.
Are we getting the ones that go like that?
Oh, we're not
That
getting
was
any.
so pretty.
We're not doing any?
Grandpa won't do them, honey.
No, I thought that we were all going to go to Aunt Connie's and do them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So cool.
They're so pretty.
Oh my goodness. You can hear her. Oh.
See, that's where I'm afraid. That tree right there,
Yeah.
it is just like a dead Christmas tree. Don't touch anything. Don't worry.
They burn up and then come down and it's just smoke. And they're shooting high enough it looks like. I think they're on top of the platform.
Well, we get fires all the time here in Washington for these things.
Well, it won't be any
I like how we can actually see it today.
Anything there burn up that guy's tree, but
Wrong. That's probably their own tree.
Yeah, that one's their tree too. That's the one in our front yard.
You can smell it. It kind of smells good.
it does, doesn't it? It's kind of weird, huh? I guess we're used to it, huh?
Oh, I thought that was a flame. That's a star.
Oh, that was pretty.
Here you go again. Woo! I wish we could see those ones over there.
These trees are growing.
You can hear it like echo through the sound.
Alicia, it's okay. I got it on film.
Turn on.
Where's Olivia?
Look at the big pile of snow on the ground.
Do you think, buddy? Wow. There you go. Anybody in baseball be
Happy 4th of July.
Gosh, Olivia missed it all.
I know, Olivia, watch them.
Oh. Shoot.
No, you're
Yeah,
missing
like
all the
three houses
big
down.
ones.
And then there's one over there and one guy over there.
And over there.
Our neighbors live in
Oh, here?
it, too. Yeah.
I don't think
It's
so.
like, oh my god, the lady's getting angry. The guy
Woo!
across the street or something.
Jessica, I'm totally trying to notice this.
You know.
Oh my god, that was huge.
Oh my gosh.
Holy crap. I think they're doing it over there too.
They're doing it in 4 different spots.
I know, there's like 4 different places.
Oh,
Oh.
oh. Dang
That
it.
was kind of little.
I like the big boom.
Look at the little dogs.
Some dogs don't like that.
Bella was scared. This way.
But she doesn't have much.
Oh,
Holy
gee.
crap.
That was awesome.
What happened?
I have my blanket. So
V, get mine.
Oh, please save.
Did it die?
Here. Those things are about 50 bucks a piece.
Dang it.
Really? It didn't save. Hold on.
Look here. Really, you want to go?
God, that was kind of lame. I can't believe it didn't save. I'm so strong with the Liz though.
Gotta let go of something, honey. You're not gonna get this around you without it.
There.
They're doing firecrackers, I think.
What was that?
Please do more. Please do more.
little dots over there?
Yeah, they're like little mini ones.
Up here. Woo! Orange.
I can hear him.
The
I hate the little baby ones. Why don't they do the big ones again? Because
The big ones are expensive.
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 I can't believe they're $50 a piece. That's a lot of money for a firework.
More. Oh my God! Look at the moon. It's so pretty.
Where?
Up here. Just stand on this thing.
Oh, it's right. Oh, there it is.
You're too tall.
Yeah, it's right over there on the corner of the house.
Come on, please do more. Oh, here we go.
Oh!
No, oh my gosh, this is awesome. Oh my God. Woo! Woo! Oh my God.
Wow.
That would suck if I did not save this.
Oh my god.
This is awesome. I better have saved this. Holy crap! Oh! Whoa! Oh my God, this is so cool!
That's right over our head.
It's like Disney World.
Oh my God!
That scared me half to death.
I am freaked out.
My God, it's not
I thought
awesome!
that one was going to land on us. I was just
Grandma.
It was like Disneyland.
Guys, come on, these ones. They're doing some over here. Sorry, you can't see.
I was going to run in the house because I thought we were all going to get burnt.
Grandma. Not really.
It's really dark.
There are more people.
Yeah, I can't see it all.
Absolutely gorgeous. Did you get it?
Cool.
Yeah?
I got.
And I better have.
I have 8 minutes
Oh
of it.
my God.
Alicia, it's okay. I have it.
No, that better not have saved. That better have saved.
Oh. Those are cool.
Oh my God, it keeps on freaking not saving.
Alicia, I have it.
I don't care if you got it. I want it on my phone. God, that was
Jeez.
the best thing and I freaking missed it.
You're
Stupid camera.
Why?
Frick, I'm so mad.
Stop yelling.
You're really cool.
That's 5 different places now.
Do more.
Did yours save?
No, hers didn't save.
Freaking keeps on messing up that thing. Can you save it all later?
No, it just disappears. God, I'm so mad. I don't know why it keeps on doing that. No, God, I'm so mad.
Take your finger off the button. I wish we could see over there.
You actually can see. Woo!
Here we go again. They're coming up. Yay.
Go up, please go up.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Gosh, if this thing doesn't save, I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna throw my freaking phone on the ground.
Usually you'll be fine.
Come on, come on, come on. Shoot up. Looks like
Come on, baby, save!
the Wolverine claws.
Oh my God, I missed it.
It's like Disney World.
Shut up, Jessica.
It's funny you know it.
Woo!
Baby.
Baby one.
Remember the babies in the trash can?
Yeah.
Babies in the trash can.
No, there was like these little flames just going up, and we're like, stop shooting the baby ones. And then Lotus thought I was talking about real babies, and she's like, yeah, the babies in the trash cans.
God, that was so fast. I'm so peeved. I'm so mad. I didn't say that. I wanted that one. Show that to
big
Lotus.
one was great.
She can see it on YouTube.
She's not.
No, I wanted to show it to her in person.
Whatever.
Such a lame.
Retarded.
And now they're stopped.